What's up, everybody? We back. Cook with Cartea. Man, I'm excited. Why? Because it's the holiday season. So you already know we finna start doing those holiday recipes. And as you can see in front of us, we got our ingredients. And you can see sweet potatoes. So you already know we doing candy yams today. So if you don't know how to make candy yams, if you don't know how to make that sweet potato recipe, we finna show you today. It's gonna be an easy way of making them. Anybody can make them, even if you never made them before. I'm gonna show you one of the easiest ways to do it. So, as you can see, we got our ingredients right here in front of us for our candy yams recipe. We're gonna start here with our main ingredient, our sweet potatoes. We got our brown sugar right here. We got some vanilla extract right here, some butter, nutmeg, and we got ground cinnamon. We got ground ginger. We got some sugar, some orange juice. Y'all gonna see what that's for. And then we got a little bit of salt right here too. We're gonna go ahead and get these potatoes peeled, get those chopped up and get those in a dish. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and start making that sauce drizzle. Yeah, we're gonna get that going. And then we're gonna pop this dish in the oven. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna show y'all how easy this dish is gonna be. And it's gonna be good. So y'all gonna see, like I said, this holiday edition. One of the main side dishes, we gonna make it. So let's go ahead and get going. All right, so like I said, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and just get these potatoes peeled up, get these out the way. I got a garbage can in front of me, so I'm gonna just put my peelings in here, but you could do it in a bag or, you know, whatever, however you can do it. So, you're just gonna peel straight down. Some people, they, you know, they go back and forth with the peel. You could do that, but I don't like pulling it back towards me. So, that's just not my thing. But if you like doing it like that, you could, you know, pull back and forth too if you want. Don't rush and hurt yourself. Remember, it's that soul food, that holiday food, so we cooking with love. So take your time. Put that love into this dish. Into all your dishes. Get those nice and peeled up. Straight like that. Now that we got our sweet potatoes all peeled up, we just gonna chop them up. Now, I ain't cutting the safest, but, you know, make sure when you cut, you know, with your knuckle right there so you don't get your finger. Especially with the harder things to cut. I want to cut these in half, I ain't gonna lie. Because you want to even cook with each slice. And the thicker they are, the longer, you know what I'm saying, they're going to take individually to cook through. Again, I know I am not the safest cutter. I'm working on it. 3/4 of butter. We're just going to start off with that. We're going to have that pan on like a low right now because we want that butter to melt down kind of slow. We don't want to burn the butter or nothing like that. Now let's come in with our brown sugar. About a cup. Get that mixed in there. Let this get to a thickness, and then we're gonna add in our other ingredients, our other spices. Let's get up to about a medium while we incorporate our other ingredients. Add our nutmeg and cinnamon. That in there. Ground ginger. We want it to get to that boil like how that. It's gonna get a little thicker consistency. But we want it to cook down. ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, sugar, about a cup of sugar, orange juice, now that we kind of bubbling and boiling like this is when I'm gonna add that salt. The salt gonna be last. Just a little pinch, not too much. Alright, so now that we finished with our sauce, as y'all can see, it's thickened up. And that's exactly what we want. This is what you want. Yeah. That's what you want to see. Yeah. Alright y'all, so we almost done. We got our drizzle done. Y'all seen what that was looking like. We got our potatoes back in the party. So, all we're gonna do now is get those potatoes covered. We just gonna come in here and just kind of mix it up just a little bit. Just so we can make sure that pretty much each one of these potatoes is covered. The oven, we already got it preheated, 400 degrees. We're gonna cover it up. We're gonna toss this in the oven for about 30 minutes. We're gonna pull it out. We're gonna check it, check the potatoes, check the tenderness. We're gonna mix it up a little bit so we can get some of those potatoes that's at the bottom. Make sure, everything cooked evenly and it's coated evenly. So let's go ahead and get it in the oven. So boom, we got our sweet potatoes. We just pulled them out the oven. We had them at 400 degrees originally. About 30 minutes, I checked them, mixed them around a little bit, checked the potatoes. Obviously they weren't done yet. I went up to about 425 just because I wanted them to cook a little bit faster. I went back in, put them in the oven, left them in there for about another 35 minutes on 425. And now, look where we at. So that's how you want them. I ain't gonna lie, traditionally, how grandma used to make them, they had a little mash to them. Like I said, if it's cool with y'all like it's cool with me, let's go ahead and stop playing and let's eat. Get this on the plate. I ain't gonna play no more. Candy yams. Yeah. So we got our candy yams on the plate, finished up. Then I like to hit it with just a little one of these. Now y'all know what time it is. Taste test. Let's see what we doing. Candy Yams, holiday edition, cook with cartea. This is not the last one we're gonna be doing. We got more sides coming up. We got more dishes coming up for the holidays. Now you know how to make these candy yams the easy way. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure always y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all wanna make next. If y'all got y'all own dishes, y'all own holiday dishes that you want us to make, let me know. Cook with cartea, holiday edition. Let's go.